Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of February 14th, 2020. Here are some upcoming events. Thursday, February 20th, between 5 and 7 p.m. is the McTeacher event at the Lantana McDonald's behind the elementary school. Many elementary teachers will be at the McDonald's helping to make and serve food. McDonald's is generously donating a portion of all food purchases back to the school. Please join us for dinner. The class with the most students attending the event will earn Happy Meals for the entire class. On Saturday, February 23rd and Sunday, February 24th is the Lake Worth Street Painting Festival. PBMA participates every year in this beautiful event. Secondary students who would like to participate, please contact Mr. Bofici. Please come out and enjoy all the beautiful creations. February 27th is our next Atlantis Skateway Family Night. Atlantis Skateway is located at 3100 Jog Road in Green Acres. Skate night is from 6 o'clock p.m. until 8:30 p.m. Skating is $7 cash per person, skating or not, and that includes admission and skates. Please come join in on the fun with your whole family. Saturday, February 29th is our next open house, 10 a.m. at the elementary school and 11 a.m. at the secondary school. This is a great opportunity to show incoming kindergartners the school as well as fifth graders who can see what the middle school has to offer. March 17th is primary voting day, no school for students. Spring break is March 21st through March 29th. March 30th is now a regular school day. It is no longer a day off for students. April 18th is Senior Grad Bash, trip to Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure. Thursday, April 30th at 5:30 p.m. will be Kindergarten Roundup. This is an orientation for next year's kindergarten class. It's very important for new students to attend with their parents, the new kindergarten students. Saturday, May 2nd is our junior and senior prom at the downtown West Palm Marriott, $70 a person. The theme is Masquerade, and tickets are on sale now. And finally, Monday, May 18th is high school graduation. Here's the events and activities update. Let's see what's happening in elementary art.
Hi PBMA, this is Ms. Fisher with your art update. I just wanted to let you know the entire school has been working hard on their self-portrait Picassos. So those are going to go up in the hallway pretty soon. So if you're ever in the building, check out our Picassos. We also have had a great time learning about Romero Brito, who happens to live in Miami, so you may see some of his artwork around town. I have a huge display by the security desk, so if you're in the building, check it out because the students did an amazing job. And that's it for the art update. Have a great week.
Here are some pictures of the high school enjoying the Renaissance Fair. Ms. Rodriguez's third grade class was visited by Regions Bank. The class learned about financial literacy, money, and the importance of starting a savings account. Ms. Trish visited kindergarten to learn about the science behind chocolate. Let's hear about what they learned.
Hi, I have some students from Miss Owens Kindergarten. Who do I have here?
Kingston, Nadia, Krista, Eliana, Samantha.
And yesterday, with Miss Trish, you guys learned all about making
Chocolate.
Chocolate. And where does chocolate come from? Where does it grow?
From a cacao tree.
Oh, so they pick it from the cacao tree, and do you remember what happens with it?
And then they take out the seeds of
They take out the seeds, cocoa. And then what happens?
They grind the seeds into cocoa.
Oh, and then they make it into
Chocolate.
chocolate. And I understand that you guys got to taste different kinds of chocolate. What kinds of chocolate did you taste, Kingston?
Milk chocolate,
And what else?
white chocolate,
And
dark chocolate,
what was your favorite chocolate?
white chocolate,
Yeah, and how about yours?
dark chocolate.
It was good? And now you know that chocolate doesn't just come from Publix, right? Now you know it's a whole big thing to make it. Okay, that sounds like fun.
Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information throughout the school year. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.